Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? So in today's video, I am going to be doing another unboxing video for you guys. This is actually a new subscription that I decided to try out. I've seen it around YouTube multiple times, so I thought, you know what, I'm gonna give it a try. And the box arrived today. So the box is called Ginger Red Coffin. It's time to open it. I'll have their website linked in the description box if you guys want to go and check them out. No pressure at all. It's just there if you want to go and check it out. This is an American box, so I'm from Canada, so everything is a little bit more expensive. Yeah, let's just jump right on into this box. Here we go. We'll sit over here. I'm gonna open the box. It says, thank you for your support. Oh, it's a little sticker. And there's like a little, ooh, there's like an orange cat right here. This was actually the Halloween box, so that's why everything's gonna be like Halloween themed. So the first thing in the box is, it looks like some cards. Ooh, don't fall now. We can't have that. So this is just what the card looks like, a very Halloween-y. I actually really like this, so I'm gonna like scrapbook it. And then I think it tells me everything that is in this box and another card. Ooh, there's another like little Halloween-y one. That's really cool. I'm going to keep that too for my scrapbook. And then on top, well, this is a really thick card. This Ginger Red Coffin business card. And then there is their social media. Paper sticker, and it's like red. Ooh, exciting. So on top there is a print, which is really cute. I'm actually gonna keep this to scrapbook it. I'm like an old lady saying, oh, I'm gonna keep this for my scrapbook. Next thing is this. I'm hearing shit. Ooh, cool. It's a little happy Halloween pillowcase, which this is really cool. Well, I can't use it right now because it's not Halloween. So, but, I mean, I really like it. It's cool. Just has a zipper here. You can put the pillow in it. Next thing is this little orange bag. This is really cute. And it has a pin in it. Oh, it's Sam's pin from Trick or Treat. Oh, I love Sam. I love this pin. I'm going to put it on my pin board. I'm going to be making the Sam Trick or Treat doll. That's my plan. I don't know if it's going to happen because I'm obsessed with that little pumpkin and I want the doll. I have Chucky and Tiffany dolls. If you guys didn't know that, they're like right over there. So I really want Sam next. So next thing is this, ooh, crystal. I actually have some crystals. But this one's really cool. It looks like it's going to be purple, which I love purple, if you guys didn't know that. Oh, come to me. What it is and what it does and stuff. Love this. Like, look how purple that is. Oh, there you go. That's just what it looks like, but that. Next thing is this little, oh, it's a little, like, black rose. I love black roses. This is from Lunatic Cosmetics Labs. Now, I never tried anything from them before, so this is going to be my first time. So I got, oh, thick. Okay. This is really cute. Oh, it has like a little, I don't know, like a fly on it or something. It has like a little insect right there. The color is orange, which is nice because I would definitely wear this on my eyes. It's just a matte orange color. A beauty sponge. It's a little pumpkin like beauty blender. This is really cool. Little pumpkin little dude. A lollipop. This is gonna be so good. What flavor is it? What flavor is it? What flavor is it? I don't know what flavor it is. It has like a little notepad. This is really, really cute. Like, and it says to brew list. That's so cute. And then it comes with like these two cute little cat pens. Oh, these are so cute. I love these. Last thing in the box is this. So this is Dancing in Graveyards perfume oil. Ooh, Interesting. I love perfume. So I'm interested to know what this smells like. There's like little rose petals in it. That's really cute. I really like the packaging. Like the packaging is so cute. It's like little graveyards and stuff. Like, it's so cute. Little pumpkins. And then like in the inside there's like little rose petals. Oh, there you go. There's little rose petals and stuff. Curious to know what it smells like. I'm not picky with scents, so. That's actually really pretty. Ooh, yeah, that's really nice. I like that. Yes, I like this. It smells so good. I'm definitely gonna be putting this on after my showers and baths. I always like soak up on perfume after my bath and shower, so it's like, oh, just smells so fresh and clean. It just smells so good. So that is really cute. I love the packaging, the rose petals. It's so unique and different. I love that. That is everything that I got in this ginger red coffin box. I'm actually really excited to see the rest of the boxes that I do get from them. So I hope that you guys did enjoy this video, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye, guys.